test. Drift test. The side drift. Killing it. Tory, you saved the day, man.
Oh, buddy.
We're so excited. We're in Harrison Lake. We're gonna go check out Lillooet River next on the very northern tip of Harrison Lake. This has been an absolute riot of a trip. We are having an absolute blast. We are definitely doing this so many more times. Tory's got his hip waders on. It's absolutely the best for lake boating. Are you good? Killing it, buddy! Tory and I were both pretty excited by the fishing so far. We continued along the northern tip of Harrison Lake, near the mouth of the Lillooet River. It's easy to see the reminders of when these river systems were used to transport goods back and forth between Vancouver and inland destinations. Drift test! Drift test! Just side drift. Look at this! The side drift! Killing it! These old pilings are the foundational remnants of the docks and piers that once lined the shores. Huge barges would tie up to these to load and unload their cargo since the 1800s. How you doing, Tory?
Good, buddy. Having a blast. This is cool.
Are you driving? Because someone needs to be.
Yeah, boat kind of drives itself. What do you mean? What opens, Daryl?
The bridge.
That opens?
Why would they have that then? Like it has to open. It turns so you can get like a mast in or something, right?
Yeah. For all them river sailboats, I guess.
We maneuvered dinghy little through the deeper channels of the river, trying to avoid the sandbars as we looked for another spot to fish. The sandbars in this sort of situation are always changing and can suddenly appear out of nowhere, as we soon discovered.
It's gonna drift us back a bit here.
Yeah.
We just do the same
because it's way shallower up here, right?
Yeah.
I've been working on the drone and he's pulling us through the shallows. So like, honestly, I think I'm doing the most work. It's not easy.
It's not easy being Daryl, eh?
It's not easy being D. You're killing it, Tory! Keep going! We can get through anything with Tory. Okay, so there's the jet boats kicking butt. Well, we've got Tory here. Tory was a champ and pulled like a workhorse to get us clear of the sandbars. Nice job, buddy!
Go, go, go!
Oh my God, we made it through the passage! Thank you, Tor!
Yeah, buddy.
That was an unbelievable job. Tory, you saved the day, man! Tory just took us through the shallows by foot like a man. Don't you believe? Like, that is a manly thing to do.
That's all the exercise I need for the month.
What I was thinking was, because we had him tied up, that when he fell with his waders into the deep spot, that I just pull him up. You know, I might leave him for a minute. You killed it.
That was fun.
I'm looking for an area in the river with fast flowing water that's also near calm, deep pools. This is where the fish like to hold and rest. Using the drone helped quickly zero in on a couple terrific spots. It also makes for some amazing views of the beautiful green water. Tory and I are stopped and the water is just rushing. Like we are in a foot of water and we just shut the motor off, lifted it up. Tory, that was interesting.
Yeah, a lot easier going down the river though. We're in neutral still doing our motors off doing 6 miles an hour.
And there's a sandbar over there. So I'm gonna try and back up. See that shallow?
I don't know if that is.
Yeah, dude, there's a rock right there. You can see it rippling. It has to be, no?
One way to find out.
Wow! Was that insane?
Yeah, we made it, everybody!
That was killing it. Let's go make a coffee, man.
Yeah.
This looks like an amazing spot. What's your plan?
Making the fire. Fucking.
How beautiful is this place?
It's unreal, man. Crystal clear water. Yeah, mountain range background, nice little winter fire.
Once again, Tory was chest deep in water, but this time it wasn't for work. It was for fun. After a few casts, in just the right spot, he hooked up again.
What a nice fish, dude.
While Tory was cleaning his catch, I decided to get the fire going. We thought we'd have a shore lunch today, and warming up by the fire sounded like a great idea.
Tell him, right?
Absolutely.
Such a good trip, man.
Great day, man.
We're doing some more rivers, guys, coming up.
I put some rocks around the fire to act as a cooking surface. This is about as rustic as cooking gets. Once the fire had burned down a little and the rocks were hot, we put the whole trout onto a cooking rack close to the fire. We kept the fish whole and left the skin on for this type of cooking to help keep it nice and moist. The fish cooked in no time at all.
I am telling you, this is so good. So good. Fresh caught trout. Oh my God. You guys, that is so good. Is that not good?
Really good. Zero spices, nothing. Just trout and fire, and it's good.
And mountains and rivers
Yeah.
and days. We're so far up the river. There's glaciers. This is glacier water coming in right beside us, and it's like that green blue. Dude, I can't stop.
pretty
so good.
Tory and I absolutely devoured this delicious fresh fish. It was so good. This was the perfect finish to our day.
Just finished the fire. We've been cleaning up the dinghy, so we're just putting everything away. We're gonna be heading down because it's gonna get dark really soon, you guys. The thing is, there's a lot of logs in this whole lake, and we're kind of at the cutoff. We need to zip as fast downwind as we can, and we'll be pulling in the dark, I think. Let's do this!